What's going on, everybody? My name is Carlo.
And I'm Caesar. Welcome to another episode of The Dojo. What are we going to talk about today, Carlo?
Well, Cez, if you've been living under a rock, you probably didn't hear that vegan burgers are in these days. Okay, I've been doing a little bit of research. And by a little bit, I mean very little. But apparently, these new types of vegan burgers, like the Beyond Meat burger. I think there's something called the Impossible Meat burger or something like that. They're not just veggie burgers. That are just vegetarian burgers. These are specifically catering to meat eaters like us, trying to emulate and taste like meat so they could eventually transition over to being a vegan or reduce the type of, or the amount of meats that we're eating on a daily basis, weekly basis. Obviously, the earth is important.
Earth is very important.
The earth is very important.
Earth is very important.
And when we eat a lot of meat, it takes up a lot of resources, dude.
But when you eat a lot of meat, we create that balance in our universe.
Who's gonna create the balance if we're all just vegan, right? Vegan food today, animals running the planet tomorrow. This guy.
These are some fake vegan facts right here. These are the fakest. This is poor representation.
This guy, Nick, has been giving us some delicious vegan recipes. I must admit they're pretty damn good.
Yeah, you know what? The last time we went to that vegan restaurant, it did open my eyes to other vegan food, but not a vegan burger, man. There's nothing more old school than a nice cheeseburger with meat in between your buns. Shout out to Rosa, by the way, who invented the cheeseburger. What do you look for in a burger?
Okay, I look forward to, honestly, man, to be honest with you, the best burger I've ever had, and I'm not even lying. No name burger. No name burger. Fresh, like you know, obviously on the grill. And like that, the flames coming up and just like boom, like
so just
sear that shit.
Slab of ground meat, just
and not thick. I like it a little bit thin, dude.
You like it thin? Yeah, you know what?
Man.
Me too. I kind of like it a little thinner, but I like it like stacked into like two or three different like patties.
Okay, so three of the top top producers of these veggie burgers or vegan burgers. The companies are today. Harvey's, which was one of the first to introduce their veggie burger.
Harvey's was the first to introduce.
One of the first, yeah.
No way.
I mean, they're pretty good. A&W, which introduced it last year.
Oh, I love A&W.
Yeah, they're.
Oh, A&W, like the buddy
that type
burgers.
Of burger today, son.
Double buddy burgers.
Yeah,
oh man.
And then the third one, Burger King, man. Burger King has a veggie burger. Apparently, they're coming out later on soon. It's called the Impossible Burger. So apparently it's supposed to.
It's impossible to make it taste like an actual burger. That's why it's called the Impossible Burger.
You know what? Maybe I am hoping that we kind of get punched in the face and like, shit, this is actually pretty good. Nick's gonna bring out some burgers. We're gonna do one at a time. We won't know where it's from, so it's either from Harvey's, A&W, or Burger King. And we're gonna give our honest opinion on each one of them. And then they're gonna reveal which one we like the most. When I ordered these burgers, I got my own regular burger.
Yeah, I got something on the side.
It's like,
I was like, I'm hungry right now.
It's like, I don't think I'm gonna enjoy these burgers, so might as well enjoy a real burger before I do this. So,
all right, what do we have?
All right, so what was this? This doesn't look bad. Yo, what is this?
My meat is white.
Yeah, it's like, man, you know when Filipinos bleach their skin? It's like that.
Oh my god.
You're supposed to be a burger. Why are you so light, son? And it looks floppy. Look how floppy that is.
I know, it's flimsy. It smells like a garden.
I mean, it kind of smells. It smells like vegetables.
Yeah.
All right,
ready?
Let's taste.
It's mushy, man.
That's what it's mushy. And
why is it mushy?
What are these little things that kind of taste like the tendon and stuff?
Like
what
the
is that?
Like patty itself. It's mushy. Like it's. I can crush it on the top of my mouth.
You know the good thing about this one? It's not as salty. I feel like a lot of veggie burgers I tasted, like very salty.
You've tasted a lot of veggie burgers?
I've tasted one.
This
So
is
maybe
starving right now, but to be honest with you, it's not that bad. It's just
it's not that.
it's a texture thing for me. Like this, there's no body to it. It's just mush. It's like Play-Doh, man.
It's not the worst vegetarian burger I've ever had in my life. It's not the worst. It actually has some taste to it. Out of 5, I think I'll give that a 2.5.
A 1.
2.5.
It's a hard 1.
The problem is that like the seasoning is not there from
There's no flavor to
it's
it.
kind of the
It's
flavor,
weird. It's flimsy. You know what I do like though? I like the pickles.
You're the deliverer of disappointment.
I know. Look at that. It's vegan and it's whole wheat.
Oh my god!
Trying to ruin our day.
Can I have some water with this dryness that's gonna cut my mouth?
Actually, yeah. Can we get some water?
This looks like a Harvey one.
Yeah.
It looks more meat.
It does.
It looks like a meat burger, to be honest with you.
At least the patty.
So, visually,
yeah.
visually, I give this this is way better than
Yeah, visually, this is way better than all of them.
Open it up.
Well, I like this one because there's no lettuce, no tomato.
Ooh. Yeah, you're right. No lettuce,
Right?
tomato.
No lettuce,
which
no tomato.
I think they listen to you. It's
Okay.
a real looking pickle.
Yep, this legit looking pickle.
Legit looking pickle. There's relish in there.
This patty actually looks better than the last one.
Yes, and it's thicker.
It's thicker.
It has better feedback.
Yeah. Like I can't squish it in between.
Yeah,
so
yeah,
I'm
yeah.
mushing up my fingertips.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
I'm actually
I'm interested.
All right.
I'm interested.
ready.
This is really dry.
Yeah.
It's really dry.
The condiments just outweigh everything. Not for me.
This tastes more like a beef patty than the other one, though. To be honest with you, to me, in my opinion. What do you give this out of 5?
1.5.
What did you give the other one?
A 1. This one has better pickles.
I give this a 3.
Wow, a 3.
Yeah.
Meaning you would actually order this once a year.
I would order it if they ran out of the beef.
Well, compared to the last one, I do.
So it's good enough not to leave,
I think I do like this one a little better than the last one.
right?
But they both still suck.
Can you guys be like a little bit nicer to the vegan?
Anyways, what do we have next? This actually looks pretty.
This looks good too.
This looks pretty good.
The meat looks really good.
Yeah, the meat looks good. I mean, again, not a fan of lettuce and tomato in my burger, but whatever.
Oh, they have onions and
Onions
ketchup,
and
mustard.
pickles.
Yeah, pickles. So you got all the right stuff.
It actually looks like a patty.
It looks like a patty, feels like a patty.
Feels like a patty. There's give.
And that's what I'm saying. This is actually the most close to meat.
This is probably the most appealing looking
appealing.
one out of all 3.
And it smells like a burger. I'm interested.
I'm pleasantly surprised. This is actually
What
really-
the hell?
This is meat. Not meat.
This is actually really good. The give, the texture,
Yeah.
even the taste.
Yeah.
It doesn't have that pasty aftertaste like these other burgers had. You know what I mean? Like when you break it down in your tongue and then it kind of tastes like chalky and all
Yeah.
that shit. Yeah.
This does not have that. If
doesn't
you, were
have
to,
that.
if you were to put this in front of me right now, I probably would not be able to tell you it was a vegan.
Me neither. After all the shit that we've been talking about vegan, if you're a meat eater, you'd yeah.
You'd probably eat it. Man.
Yo, beyond me, where's the chicken alternative, bro? Huh? Chicken wings? What's up?
All right. Well, this
Number 1.
number 1.
This hands down beats it. I give it 5 out of 5. It tastes like a burger, feels like a burger, and it kind of, you can't tell really. You could kind of tell.
I'll give it a 4 just because I know it's not a meat burger. But
You're a jerk.
I know. But it was the best tasting one out of all the 3. So the second burger that we had would probably be my number 2.
Me too.
But I would still not order it. It still was not
I would
delicious.
still be angry if somebody gave it to me.
I would be angry if somebody gave it to me, yes.
And number 1, the
Number
first
1,
burger.
the first burger was
That was your
terrible.
that was your conventional veggie burger.
Yeah, it was just
It's
terrible.
one of that shit is like, oh man, what?
It's
Is it
disgusting.
you buy that pack of veggie burger for that couple of friends and nobody eats it?
This is why we make fun of vegans, because of burgers like that.
So Burger King, if you're watching,
It's
sponsor
okay.
this
For
dude.
Burger King, it's okay.
Sponsor
It's okay
this
to have
guy.
a shitty vegan burger. That's okay. You're serving 0.5% of the population.
Don't worry about
It's
it.
okay. You
Don't worry about
you did
it.
everything else right.
All right, so what did we learn today, man?
What did we learn today? Well, I learned that A&W makes the best vegan burger.
How is it? Yo, A&W made a huge comeback.
A&W, yeah, right?
A&W tastes very good and no soy. Would this,
Actually, no.
for my Filipinos, do you think this would taste good with white rice though?
Nah, man.
That's the real test.
Because it doesn't have
Let's
the
get-
grease. The grease is what gives it the flavor,
Let's get
man.
Jeff up in here and taste it. Get him to taste with the rice.
Oh, man.
So that was our review on the latest vegan burgers out in the market.
Now, out of the 3 burgers, we only finished 1, so that'll tell you something. The other 2 were shit.
If you are a serious
sorry.
meat eater,
The other 2 weren't very good.
if you're a serious meat eater but are somewhat interested in trying a vegan burger and not being disappointed, A&W, go try it. At least one burger.
A&W Beyond Meat. I have never heard about it till today.
And remember, do not think that this is just because it's a vegan burger that it's healthy, okay?
Yeah, there's no protein. You need protein. No, there's probably protein, but very little. Very little protein.
Not
You need a
complete.
lot of protein.
All right, guys, thanks again for watching. My name is Carlo,
And I'm Caesar.
and this is The Dojo.